Welcome back. Now news from sports. Abhishek Raut, Ganpati Vignesh and Vasant Sarvanan are not big names in domestic cricket. But Goan coach Raghuram Bhatt is confident of moulding the trio into desired roles in the team. But also told Prudent that the confidence of the Goan players has increased significantly in the pre-season camp.
Abhishek Raut has played 15 matches in 2 seasons of the IPL, while Ganpati Vignesh and Vasant Sarvanand, aged 30 and 33 respectively, have featured in the now defunct ICL. These 3 players will be seen in action for Goa this season.
All the 3 professionals, we are basically trying to stabilize our middle order. It should be a strong middle order where we can see Vasant Saravanan has been experienced bat throughout his career, all these years for Tamil Nadu as well as for Assam. He played for Assam later. So there we are looking at stability in the middle order, where Abhishek Rawat is a strong middle order bat, where he can guide our other, these 2 players where they can, rotate the strike with the other batsmen too, where we can groom the other generation at the same time. Vignesh, we are looking at the fast bowling department, as one of our, for the Gadekar fast bowler is injured. So I think he's rolled out for the season with the shoulder injury. So I think Vignesh will fit his place, where Vignesh can, bowl as well as bat.
None of the 3 outstation players carry the established player tag. However, Bhatt remains largely confident on moulding them as the team requires.
We will do that, no? We will do to your expectation. We will try to do that, they go to that level. That's what we are all trying to do. We are trying to look into each and every individual so that they play to the next level. That is what we will do, we will try to do. That's what my aim is. So it need me that past has is become by history by himself. Let us not go by the past.
Meanwhile, the Goan boys seem to be exhibiting a newfound confidence and positive body language like never before, said the former left-arm spinner.
Basically, it's, being a part of the team, of the family, what I consider as a family. I think, it reminds me of my own playing days, the practices, what I used to do. And now, so it brings back my old memories. So I'm feeling very, very good and to work with these people. And bowling with them makes a lot of difference, because we tell them it's not about coaching. It's the thing is how to take a batsman out. That's the thing which we need, and how to plan an innings. This is what is required as of now with these young boys. So I think they are doing well. I feel very comfortable. I think they are also comfortable with me at the moment. And I think if this equation goes well, I think the team will do well together.
From Porvorim, our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sunny Narvikar.
Sports Authority of Goa's MAPSA team won the team championship at the All Goa weightlifting competition in Margao on Sunday. The championship was organized by Andrew's Friends of Margao under the aegis of Weightlifting Association of Goa.
Over 60 weightlifting enthusiasts participated in the competition. Here are some highlights.
Good. Akshay Naik. Good lift.
This man, Pravrit Sodankar of SAG MAPSA, won the individual title of being the Iron Man of the championship, and his team won the competition. Andrew's Friend of Margao were the runners-up. GPCC General Secretary Vijay Sardesai was the chief guest and gave away the prizes along with other dignitaries. Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
And that's all we have on this newscast. Keep watching Prudent Media.